Hey guys, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to new subscribers. Still have a lingering cough. Bit distracted today as well. Got some bad news. And I'm dealing with it by slinging paint. Like literally, my counter, I'm gonna get you down, forewarning you now, it's a mess. I've been doing all kinds of wacky experiments with either super thick house paint or super thin house paint is what I'm gonna try next, and just to see what happens. And I was using up leftover colors, and now I broke out some colors that I probably shouldn't put together, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So let me get you down. Hey kids, welcome to Scrape Central, where I am a scraping expert. In today's adventure, we're going to do, keep scraping and having fail after fail, because I'm doing this crazy experiment where my house paint is super thin. And I want to deconstruct it and have it run and make lines and weird things with the super thin base. And I have quite the color combo that, if you're not real careful, can turn to mud. But as long as if you don't mix it together too much, they should be just fine. So the first color we have here is Utrecht's Aquamarine. I'm gonna put down some Aquamarine, followed by some Amsterdam Azo Orange. Craziness. Followed by some Golden GAC800 Yellow. Or craziness. And then let's put on some more green. And guess what? My cell activator color, because I'm just totally living on the edge today, is Prussian Blue by Amsterdam. We're gonna put some more orange. I like to get some white cells, even if there are, I mean, this is all gonna go straight to hell in terms of like keeping a shape of the bloom, because this house paint is runny with a capital R. Let me check out my cell activator. It seems a little thick. I've been bad. I haven't been really measuring. I just put a healthy dollop in my little 3-ounce cup and then fill it about 3/4 of the way and call it a day. That seems okay. So normally it should be thicker, thickest, thicker, thick. And I'm doing it backwards, basically. This is what's going on right here, y'all. Just experimenting with how thin house paint. Ready? All right, I'm gonna just blow this out kind of randomly. Cool air, low fan. I do want to point out though, if you're doing deconstructed blooms, you don't want to blow straight down into your bloom, because then you'll just make yourself a nice little bloom, but you won't get any cells or lacing coming out. You got to blow kind of at an angle like this, and you want to be a border collie. Stay behind the sheep, that's the cell activator, and always stay behind it. Paint. couldn't get my hairdryer to turn off. Man, do I kind of wish I could just leave this just the way it is, because those are some colors. I don't know if I like the spine thing I got going on. But that's probably going to get all wrecked to hell anyway, because this is so thin, and when I go to tilt, it's going to be a free-for-all. So we ready? Ready, I think. Or do I want to puff in the middle? I'm going to turn off my cameras, wipe my hand, because I don't know where my ponytail holder is. Hold on, maybe I can use this clip. Put my hair up and give a puff. This is like a chip bag clip. I'm putting it in my hair because you gotta do what you gotta do. Oh my goodness. I crack up laughing. Yep, okay. Got the giggles. Oh, Lord. All right. The coughing giggles, too. Remnants from my cold. All right. Do I want to take out some cell activator? Like, I could stick my whole finger in right here and say bye-bye. Kinda. I could do it in this spot. All right, I'm just gonna go for it. This is attempt number, I don't know, 3 or 4. I was using leftover colors before though, so this is, I did make up some new colors and decided to go all crazy. Come off that one corner up there. It doesn't take much to have it roll off. Oh my gosh, so easy and fast. Bring it down. I do like it when I get white cells. I tell you guys that all the time, don't I? Right there. Come off the other edge. Down here. We're gonna take off that blue. We're gonna lose a bunch of cell activator I don't like. I just decided. And come back up. Over. Because now I'm getting some stretch marks that I'm not fond of. And there's all my white cells are all, well no, they're in a couple spaces. Let's stop. I'm getting all crazy, tilting everywhere. This is one happy painting though. I'm gonna scoop up a little color right there. Tilt that off. Let me just stare at it. Do I like all that white at the top? Or do I want to tilt it some more? Or do we like it like that? Hey, I had the house to myself today. So I got to stop in a minute and take out my daughter, get some dinner. And if you're a person who prays, can you say a little prayer for my father-in-law who's 88 and just had a stroke? That's where my husband's up at the hospital. If you're not a praying person, send me some good vibes. Something that he's okay, that he can speak again and walk again. This is a man who's always been healthy, who plays golf regularly in his senior league and beats the living, you know what, out of the younger guys, like the 60 to 70-year-old guys. And so we're kind of worried about him. I think that's why I am subconsciously kind of a mad woman painting. like kind of with, I don't know, how I deal with stress. I'm kind of like kind of, I don't know how to explain it to you all. It's kind of personal. I'll shut up now. But yeah, if you could just say a prayer for an old guy, for a lady you're watching on YouTube, I'd appreciate it. I think I like this. I think I'm gonna, I don't know why I just did that, because I was talking. See if I can just take, like, do this and roll it off there in the other corner. I'm gonna test it to see if there's too much. Just put some white on this corner because I don't like the color. Do that and then roll it off. Yeah, that's better. See how much paint is on here. Wipe off my fingers. I decided I like it just the way it is. I do. Let me see how deep the paint is though. So let's stick my stick like right in the middle. Yeah, see that? I mean, where's the stick? I gotta take some off. A little bit. So why don't we just go side to side? Because this is a little curved anyway. And we'll just go side to side. I like the composition. I like the layout very much. So we'll see if we can just go back and forth, rock it back and forth. Take a little white off of each side, maybe. Did some roll off? Did you roll off? Go ahead off. And come back this way. Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch pouring off one side. And then we'll just stretch it back the other side. And there you go. Just go down this way, straighten things out a little. Let me stare at it now. We'll do my little stick test. I immediately lost the stick. Where is it? There it is. Let's wipe it off. I don't like you. Let me get a clean finger. Right here. I don't like the hard stop. I'd rather have that be kind of blurry. There we go. Anything else offensive to my eyeball? Let's stick a stick in it. Better. All right. Cedda. I'm even going to live with that bikini corner. This one, I'm not. I think I'm just going to grab a little bit of blue. Something, or maybe some off of my tarp, because Lord knows there's enough paint on it. Grab some color. No, that's not the wrong color. Something like that, or maybe just take some blue. Oh my God, why do the littlest things bug me? Holy good grief. Yeah, that's better. Oh, you turned white. You little SOB. There we go. I'll leave it. Ta-da. Let me get you down. Okay guys, here's a close-up of the wet results. It does kind of match my mood in some respects, so guys, let me know what you think. There's no pigments or anything. This is all mostly Utrecht and Golden Fluid Acrylics. Let me come up high. That's what it looks like. Actually, I should show you some favorite bits and bobs like in there. That's really, really pretty. I like the edges very much. I like the blending of the colors. I love the wonkiness at the bottom here. Let me get it like there. And I think the white, I love this in the middle for the drama. And I think the white helps tremendously This one looks better in person than it does on camera. For some reason, like that's really pretty too. Let me come up high for a second. Sorry for the glare. That's what it looks like. I'll come back with the dried results in the next video. Let me say goodbye. I took the potato chip clip out of my hair. Let me know what you think of this one. I'm a bit distracted, I apologize. If you're new, please maybe like or subscribe, share, you know the drill. You guys take care. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back with the dried results of this one after all. So just kind of leaned it up against my counter here to stare at it. And I've been staring at it and staring at it and trying to decide if I'd like it. And I just don't know. That's what I say every time I walk by or I stop to stare at it. I'm like, I don't know if I like this one. There are bits and bobs I like. I still like my wonky cells down here. I don't know if I like my black line or my dark line running through it. I did when it was wet. I don't know, not so sure dry. What else? I do love this part here. That's gorgeous. But why didn't one of you yell at me like through your phone or the TV and say, hey Goober girl, you got square cells in your art? Which I have no idea how that happened. Look, there's this two squares, like square. How did that happen? I have no idea. I still like my white at the top though. Anyway, I just don't know about this one. You know, they all can't be winners or, you know, masterpieces, I guess. But let me know what you think in the comments. If you don't like it, that's cool. I'm right there with you. If you do really like it, tell me why. That's awful. I mean, it's not that bad. I don't know. You know. And this isn't a case of like me being picky pants either. Like I truly don't know if I like it or not. Anyway, this is it for me today. Feeling much perkier. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. Too lazy to flip the phone around. Just gonna sign off now. And I'll see you in the next one. You know, peace out.